Welcome back, and you are watching Think Story Presents A Week with Different Managers. In the series so far, I have covered Wednesday managers and all about Thursday managers. Today, I am going to talk about Friday managers. Now, Friday is a very special day for most of us because Friday is a day which is full of joy, full of happiness, and you know why? Because there is a weekend which is coming right ahead. So, Friday managers are typically those people who are a full bundle of joy. So they are fun-loving, F-R-I, they are fun-loving, they are recharged and refreshed managers, and they infuse emotional balance. They are inspiring as far as interpersonal relationships are concerned. So मैं उन सब व्यक्तित्व की आज बात कर रहा हूँ, Friday managers who are the happiness brand ambassadors in the organization. They believe in the overall well-being of the team. They are the people who are very sensitive to personal needs. In case कभी आप unplanned leave last minute पे उनको बताएंगे, they will not most likely ask any question. They will only say, okay, go ahead. So I hope you are able to relate to such managers. And हम सबकी जिंदगी में ऐसे managers आए हैं और आई एम श्योर आप लोगों के साथ अगर आप इस समय जहां काम कर रहे हैं ऐसे कुछ मैनेजर्स के साथ आप काम करते होंगे. नाउ फ्राइडे मैनेजर्स हु आर फुल्ली रिचार्ज, फुल्ली पॉजिटिव, दे इन्फ्लुएंस द ओवरऑल इकोसिस्टम इन अ पॉजिटिव फैशन. They create emotional well-being and emotional balance because sometimes it's a stressful situation. They are the one who give you a shoulder to lean on, to support, and these are the people. What do they bring? Now, obviously, they bring a high-performing team because performance is guaranteed. ये सच नहीं है कि आप केवल मार के काम करा सकते हैं, प्यार से भी व्यापार होता है. So these are the people who believe that yes, with love and emotions, work can be done. And work can be done, not a normal work, extraordinary work also gets achieved under leadership of such managers. Now, when you talk about what do they bring, I told you they develop a highly performing team. They are happiness brand ambassador, and hence any organization which is looking forward to people survey, the voice of people, the great place to work, they create these kind of personalities, help in generating a far superlative score because they create such a positive and happy environment. इनको कोई भी काम दो, this team does not take that work as a burden. They take this work as something which they will do and while enjoy. So they celebrate, they participate in all extracurricular activities. उनकी टीम ऐसी होगी जो बाहर जाएगी, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट करेगी, चाहे वो CSR हो, चाहे कोई क्रिकेट मैच हो, चाहे कोई कंपटीशन हो, चाहे कोई डांस प्रोग्राम हो. Wherever you see, this team will be coming up front and will be participating, and they take a lot of people together. Now, if these are the results which these managers produce, अब अगर आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम के एनवायरनमेंट में ऐसे मैनेजर्स को रिपोर्ट करते हैं या ऐसे लोग आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत ज्यादा मायने रखते हैं, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? नंबर 1, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में या कहीं भी जहां आप काम करते हैं, परफॉर्मेंस हैज टू बी देयर. विदाउट परफॉर्मेंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कैन नॉट मूव. एंड ये लोग बारी बारी आपको ये बताते हैं कि आप जब इंजॉय करते हैं काम को तो आप एक उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस भी दे सकते हैं. एंड यस, so when the duty for each of you who are reporting to such managers is to ensure that your performance is up to standards which are expected out of you, you should strive to give your best and performance is guaranteed. So performance needs to be ensured under all circumstances. That's number 1. Number 2, now since they are happy-go-lucky people, they believe in emotional well-being, don't break their trust. It's very important. Number 3, they are ambassadors and they are trying to create a culture that it's not about hard tasking, it's not about telling or yelling at people. You can do the work at peace, which can give you a lot of emotional strength, and they want this culture to percolate down the team to the last mile. So that's number 3. And number 4, when you are part of such team and such managers, one of the important duty is to manage the overall show in such a fashion that जब भी कभी आपको जरूरत पड़े, जब भी किसी को जरूरत पड़े, कोई भी चेंज हो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, कहीं भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन हो, you should be the one who should put this information in their mind so that they can address, they can help you steer the change process. So these are the 4 things. Just to quickly summarize, performance needs to be given. You should believe that they help you, and hence this culture needs to percolate down. And lastly, whenever there is a stressful situation or undercurrent, you must bring this in their notice so that they can help you, steer this change. Keep watching this space for more. Tomorrow I will get you all about Saturday managers, and you can log on to my YouTube channel, which is Recharge with Amit, and see all the last videos which we have done. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care.